Switching quickly between one application and another is essential if you want to get things done efficiently. Luckily, you don't have to close a computer program to open or switch to another application. Here are various fast ways to move between applications that you are running on your computer. The first method, press the Alt plus Tab key. On the desktop, a new window will appear, containing all the folders, files and applications that you have opened. To switch between applications, press the Tab key again without releasing the Alt key until the application you want to open. The second method, you can press Alt plus Tab, release the Tab key, press the left or right arrow to select an application, then release the Alt key, or press Enter, or press the space bar. The third method, press and hold the Alt plus Shift key, then press the Tab repeatedly until the application you want. Switching will be done from the opposite direction, right to left. You can also use the right and left arrow keys instead of tabs. The fourth method, press the Alt plus Control plus Tab, then release all three at once. The application selector window will still open. You can select it with the Tab key or the right and left arrow keys. You can also use a laptop mouse or trackpad to click the X button to close the application. This is a fast method for closing many applications. The fifth method, Alt plus Tab. Press and hold the Alt key left or right, press and release the other Alt key, then press the Tab key. An old version of the Alt plus Tab window will appear. Here you can only use the Tab key to move between applications. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.